आज पूरे विश्व में कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए सभी देश अपनी पूरी ताकत से लड़ रहे हैं। इस विषय पर भारत सरकार भी वैक्सीन तकनीक और अन्य मुद्दों पर कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए देश कैसे आगे बढ़ रहा है, इस पर निरंतर कार्यरत है। आज पीएम मोदी ने इंडिया ग्लोबल वीक के जरिए भारत कोविड-19 के इस दौर में अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था का कैसे पुनरुद्धार कर रहा है, इस बात पर जोर दिया। इंडिया ग्लोबल वीक एक वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस है जो यूके में आयोजित की गई है। इसका विषय है द रिवाइवल, इंडिया एंड द बेटर न्यू वर्ल्ड।
In these times, it is natural to talk about revival. It is equally natural to link global revival and India. There is faith that the story of global will have India playing a leading role. World over, you have seen the contribution of India's talent force. Who can forget the Indian tech industry and tech professionals? They have been showing the way for decades. India is a powerhouse of a talent that is eager to contribute. India is fighting a strong battle against the global pandemic. With an increased focus on people's health, we are equally focused on the health of the economy. When India talks of revival, it is revival with care, revival with compassion, revival which is sustainable both for the environment and the economy. No wonder that in India we are already seeing green shoots when it comes to economic recovery. Friends, India remains one of the most open economies in the world. We are laying a red carpet for all global companies to come and establish their presence in India. Very few countries will offer the kind of opportunities that India does today. Friends, the pandemic has once again shown that India's pharma industry is an asset not just for India but for the entire world. It has played a leading role in reducing the cost of medicines, especially for developing countries. Vaccines made in India are responsible for 2/3 of the vaccine needs of the world's children. Today also, our companies are active in international efforts for development and production of COVID-19 vaccine. I'm certain that India will have an important role in developing and in scaling up production of the vaccine once it is discovered.